Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at my summer clothing haul from Luvamia. This is Mare Product Reviews. I've ordered clothes from Luvamia before, so I was definitely excited to try out their summer haul. Some of these things were typical, well, one thing mainly, and that was the Tankini because I love bathing suits. But a lot of things here, I went out of my comfort zone and normal things in my closet, which would probably be a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, and I wanted to go for something different, frilly blouses, a denim skirt. I even got a pair of overalls, which I don't think that I've had a pair of overalls in my closet since maybe I was in middle school. So definitely some different things in this clothing haul. Let's start out with this casual ruffle tunic blouse. This is definitely a lightweight material that's super comfortable for summer. It's light and flowy and definitely has some bagginess to it. I like to have it tucked in. It feels a little bit long and shapeless if I don't have some kind of tuck. Let's talk about this really original collar. You can see all that gathering and pleating around the edge. Definitely different from anything that I have, and that goes down the sleeve as well. So I really like all those ruffles and layers there. And then you do have these ties in the front that you can tie together. I most of the time just leave that open. I do find that I have to wear an undershirt with this because it goes pretty low, and also when you lift your arm it comes pretty low as well. So for me, if I'm not wearing some kind of undershirt, you can see my underclothing, you can see my bra anytime I lift up my arm. And so that is one thing with this shirt that I do have to layer a little bit. Next, moving on to the second element of my outfit, this denim skirt. This is one of the clothing items that I was the most excited about. I haven't had a denim skirt in so long. I pulled it out of the package. It was so cute, perfect color, love the fringe. And then I put it on my body and noticed this bunching. I really wish that those buttons were just faux and it was one solid piece, but it's a true button up, and that means that sometimes you're gonna have that bunching. Check out this fringe though. I love it. I love the length of this skirt. I feel like it's comfortable and cute, but the one thing that's uncomfortable is that I have to pull it together, and I feel like when I sit down it kind of separates. I'm not saying that this is how it's going to fit on everybody. It might be that perhaps my butt or hips are a little bit wide for my size in this skirt, that it's pulling out here and it hangs straight on some people, but it doesn't hang straight on me. And it's such a shame. Check out these pockets. I still love it. I like to wear it, but I feel like I have to kind of pull it across all the time because it is trying to open up on me. And that is one thing I don't want my skirts to be doing, because you can see through that bunching sometimes and see my legs, and I feel like I'm wearing a skirt on purpose. I just wish it would pull straight and not do that while I was wearing it. If I'm standing perfectly still, great, but if I go to sit down, move, or live, I get bunching. So that was one of the more devastating things of my summer. So let's move on to something more adorable, which is this blouse. I feel like it looks a little bit better on the model than me. This is definitely a unique item in my closet. It is flowy and artsy. It has that really long bell sleeve and the ruffles along. And it's got a cute button closure in the back. What I really like about this one is that it's really nice and light and flowy, but it's not too long, so I can wear it loose without really needing to tuck it in. It doesn't have an awkward, too big, shapeless thing about this one. If you're looking for something breezy and loose fit, this is fantastic. I do love that round neck here, and on your shoulders, you just kind of have this fluffy little ruffle here, which just makes it different and artsy and feels like you should wear it out on a summer evening. Now check out how long these sleeves are. They go the whole way down to the elbow, but I still feel like you can wear this in the summer because it is so lightweight. But this is something that you could definitely pull off spring, fall. Yeah, it's cute. And speaking of cute, these black overalls. They are a full long length, but I'm definitely rolling them up in the summertime. In fact, once I hit mid-July, when it was in the hundreds constantly, and I no longer feel like wearing pants of any kind, these have kind of been waiting for me in my closet, but I feel like I can for sure break these out in fall, and they're just so cute the way that they can roll up. What else can I say about these? They look great with a dog. My beagle loves to be in this video here with me. They're standard overalls. They've got pockets. You can adjust them. I really like the nice loose hanging baggy look, but they're not too loose. It's kind of fitted. They're overalls, and I haven't worn overalls in a while, and I find that it's pretty fun. I hope that I'm pulling them off and not looking ridiculous. Speaking of items that were seasonally an odd choice for hot weather, I chose this adorable professional looking blazer. Have I worn it this summer? Yes, I have, in only the month of June on summer evenings when it was kind of cool. I can't wait until the fall when I can break this out. It is kind of padded in the shoulders and it's got a silky interior, so it is kind of cool feeling inside, but gives you just a little light jacket feel, and it is quite comfortable to slip into. I love the gray color of this one. It does have a single clip in the front, so you can either wear it open or just connect it in one place. There's a close-up of the clip for you. It does have some pockets here in the front, which are kind of convenient and cozy to just slip your hands into. You'll see that it's pretty long. It's got a nice long length. I am 5'1". I'm wearing a size small, but I'm pretty petite, so things tend to hang low. So you can see that this has a really long look on me and really long in the sleeves, which I don't necessarily mind. So it's kind of casual, professional, soft, and comfortable. But seriously, you guys, it's been hot this summer, so let's move on to my most practical choice, which was this Tankini, which again looks fantastic with a beagle. So if you have a dog around, I highly recommend that you pose with your dog in this Tankini. It is so cute. It's got a comfortable fit. I love this. I love the cross in the back, and it's so adjustable. It covers well, but it's flattering, and I feel like it would look good on so many different body types. So these were the clothing items that I chose from the summer haul that I thought were going to be different. I was really stepping outside my comfort zone. Some were really hits and some for me were misses. Some of these items that I had problems with won't necessarily fit that same way for other people, and some of the issues that I had definitely won't be issues for everyone. So take that all with a grain of salt that this is my personal experience, but the quality of the clothes is good and they're really cute. When you order things online, you don't always know how they're going to fit you and how they're going to feel. So hopefully something in this review has been helpful for you. You can find the links for all of these clothing items in my write-up below, as always. I remain a fan of Luvamia clothing products. And next I'm going to show you what it looks like in my house when I am trying to just take some pictures or record myself wearing these clothes, and I'm trying to keep everybody else out of the video, and they comedically insist upon stepping into my shot. This is what it looks like for me to be reviewing in the summertime. I hope that you found this review to be helpful. Let me know in the comments what your favorite clothing item is. And if you happen to have any tricks for how to deal with a button-up denim skirt that bunches like that, please let me know as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more reviews just like this one, and I'll see you guys next time.